You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with Molly. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. Fuck. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved.
Rise and shine, guys. Today is my first day in Swagamund. I arrived yesterday. Actually, it's my second day then, because I arrived yesterday and we went to the restaurant. It was so cute. Oh my gosh, we had dinner by the ocean. That was so romantic. Oh my word. And now we are going to town to shop a little bit, and I'm going to try to get like Namibian money back because I need money for my braids. For what else? Like to get my hair done when I go back home to Germany, and I need money for the airport ride, and I need money for what else? Yeah, because all I have right now is 100 Namibian dollars to my name, and I also need to send my friends the money back because they, you know what I'm saying. So I need to go today and try and get cash back somehow and see how that goes. So pray for your girl.
Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right out the curb. Hit the spring fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick herbs.
The bed is good for sister. Oh, we can go to bed.
Young girl, no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to put.
It has changed. We are going to have breakfast at a cafe instead because the stores are only opening at 9 and it's 8:44 right now. This guy woke up at 5 in the morning today and he's just full of energy. Like he can open with a beer in his hand. Excuse me. So yeah, we're going to have something at the cafe, and then after that go and shop a little bit. I don't need anything specifically.
I will enjoy it better if you
I can look around and see if I find something nice. Yeah, but we need a hook for this. Yeah. We need a hook for the thingy. We at Random Cafe now.
So, like Armstrong, what's wrong with you? Hello? Hello? Can you really see me? My phone is automatic. Ai, the rest you raspra. Waarschijnlijk vroeger, friend, vroeger, standard procedure. Ik kan samen met één. Niet nog kracht worden.
So let's have a birthday interview. Now that you are how many years old?
Yo, I'm old. I'm off the calendar, like 26, guys.
What have you learned at 26? What is one thing you can say to yourself, like, going forward?
Yeah. I would say that spoil yourself, bitches. You are the main character in your life, so spoil yourself.
You have a fiance.
Going for 2 people for a back and neck massage today, and wish me a happy birthday. It's a whole birthday, please.
So guys, we decided to move outside. Like, how beautiful is it? This is my favorite place in the entire world. Like, if any, I've said this time and time again, this is my favorite place in the entire world, and I would love to live here. Like, this place is beautiful. Imagine just having breakfast right by the ocean. Like, absolutely stunning. We decided to move outside because somebody wants to get white girl wasted at 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning, Tommy. We ordered tequila shots, beer, coffee, and now Kuma cocktails. Screaming, pray for your girl, y'all. And we still have to go to the spa. I'm really excited to see if we're gonna make it to that spa.
We are.
If we make it to that spa, I'll never ever doubt my abilities in life. Because I can do everything that I set my mind to.
We are definitely gonna make it to the spa, honeys. Like, definitely. We need to be cutesy and very demure.
And eat at the spa. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited to wear my bikini. Gonna eat.
Cheers. Thank you. The genie of the battle.
This is so wet. I'ma need goggles. Yeah. She said, worry about yourself. Giving everything. Like, that is no, that's something that definitely picked up the vibes.
Vibe, Nick, cause what the hell, man.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And we are gonna do a quick haul of what we bought. In Namibia, they close your plastic bag with this thing to prevent people from stealing things in the shop and putting it in their plastic bags. So we got eggs from Checkers. The eggs are so expensive. How much was it? $19.99 for 6 Wakabona large eggs. Imagine. And then I bought my nephew's t-shirts from Pep because I didn't get the time to buy them anything, because this whole trip was very last minute. I didn't even think I was gonna make it. But this one for the baby, this one for the second born. It's a Minions t-shirt with the Minions at the back, you know. These things they look so cool. If they're not gonna take them, I'm gonna keep it for myself. And then I bought this one for the big one. What else did we get? Oh, this is the most exciting part. We went to Pep Home and I was talking like, Chomi, let's make the place nice. So we got some hangers so that, you know, there's more space to hang things. This was very much needed for the towel and stuff. I think I'll also hang my bags here just for the time that I'm here. And then we had got this mirror for when I do my makeup and stuff, because what is this on my face? Yeah, when I do my makeup, because there's no mirror in the bedroom. And then we got this is like a jar to keep toothbrushes, toothpaste, everything like that in there. It was $49.99, accompanied by a matching soap holder, $44.99. accompanied by the hand wash dispenser for $69.99. So it's just the black simple one that you push there, because the theme here is white. So I was thinking these would go cute in there. So now I'm gonna put the things in the bathroom, hang up the stuff, put my clothes in the closet for the time that I'm here, because I don't wanna constantly go into my suitcase. And then we're going to the spa at 1 to get a back and neck massage per person, a jacuzzi, but they said that the jacuzzi is out of order, so a problem for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the spa now at 1 and get a massage, back and neck. Very excited. I haven't had a massage in 4 years. Last time I went and got a massage is when I was with Diana at, I think it was Solstice Spa or something. They had a special two for 500, so we both got a massage there. Yes.